To make sure our booms are configured properly within the Viper controller, we're going to select Menu, Setup, Boom. The top center is the left-right of my GPS in relation to the center of the machine. Since the GPS unit on a RoGator is located in the center of the machine, this number should always be 0. In the middle of the screen on the right-hand side is the fore aft of the GPS antenna in relationship to the booms. Since the GPS antenna on a RoGator is located forward of the booms, this number will be a negative number to show that the booms are behind the GPS antenna. If you get a tape measure out and measure the distance from the GPS antenna to the distance of the center of the boom, on the RoGator you'll find that it's 180 inches. So my calibration number for my fore aft will be minus 180. Next, you need to check the overall width of your boom. In this case, I'm running a 120-foot boom on 20-inch centers. A 120-foot boom on 20-inch centers is actually 1,440 inches. So this number is correct. As well, we need to confirm the number of boom sections. A 120-foot boom has 7 sections, so again, this number is correct. Select the next button. Boom configuration has changed. Do you want Viper to use the values and adjust boom layout to a standard configuration? I can select yes. On the 120-foot boom, we need to go through and count the number of nozzle bodies per section and multiply that times the nozzle body spacing to get the width of each individual section. On a RoGator with a 120-foot boom, once you go check the individual sections, you'll find that section 1 is 120 inches. Section 2 is 220 inches. Section 3 is 260 inches. Section 4 is 240 inches. Section 5 is 260 inches. And Section 6 is 220 inches. Once I've corrected my individual boom section widths, I can hit the next button. I want to select yes. On this screen, I just want to confirm that my boom sections are set up properly. As you can see from several screens ago, our fore aft for each of our boom sections is 180 inches. The Viper controller has automatically configured the center of each individual boom section from the left or the right center of the machine. So now our booms are configured properly and ready to spray.